Should I change the whole thing? Should I restart? Tension, anxiety, all the negative emotions come. जो छोटी मेहनत के कामों में नहीं आते, बट लंबी मेहनत के काम में आएंगे. डाइट में भी, हर चीज़. You will do badly in a mock test. You will not understand some concepts. You will come home and say, यार मेरा स्कोर इतना खराब आया है, थॉट इतना तो आना चाहिए. Depressed, angry. This is where that team comes in. This is where the parents come in. How you handle, what maturity you show. You can't be very lenient, but you can't be very strict. And that's the balance that has to kick in. Ideally, when you are in an emotional state, when the child is in an emotional state, don't take any decisions. Emotions are good for relationships, but they are not good for taking decisions. So emotions को side पे रखो. कम नंबर आया आज, क्या हुआ, छोड़ दो. Just leave it, right? Wow. Okay, it opens also. Light आ गई. देखिए कैसे आपको enlighten कर रहे हैं हम धीरे-धीरे. रोशनी आ गई. तो you know, that is when the parents come in कि एक दिन रहने दो. Don't say anything. The child is already disturbed because they've been working for so long. Don't start screaming. तुमसे कुछ होता ही नहीं है. तुम्हें पहले कहा था ये मत करो. तुम्हें किसने कहा था उस पार्टी में जाने को? किसने कहा था इसकी शादी अटेंड करो? It's not. Let the emotions pass. Next day there must be a reason कि कम क्यों है. कोई topics में गड़बड़ हुई है. The understanding was not correct. Whatever. You can analyze. You can go back and see what happened. The child will do it, but they have to be treated properly till they let the emotions pass and let the logic come back. So the logic का ही काम है. So that's where the parents have to resist the urge to add to the emotions कि उस पर बरस पड़े. Because बच्चे तो नहीं माँ बाप को कहते कि आपने मुझे ऐसे जीन्स दिया, अब हमें इतने ही नंबर आएंगे, अभी क्या करें. आपने थोड़े ज़्यादा दिमाग वाले दिए होते तो ज़्यादा नंबर आ जाते हैं. अब जो है उसी से गुजारा चलाते हैं ना लोग. So it's okay. Treat it like a team. अब यही है हमारी टीम. अब इसी टीम में हमें करना है. You can't say वो देखो पड़ोसियों का बच्चा तो यहाँ हो गया, ये वहाँ हो गया, अब नहीं खेल रहा अच्छा पूना वॉरियर्स. यू कांट से कि वो देखो वो इतना जो है. आपकी टीम है, आज अच्छा नहीं खेल रही, कल खेल ले, इसमें क्या होगा, राइट. कल मुंबई पुणे एक ही है वैसे, तो मैंने कल हरा दिया, तो डोंट वरी. आई ट्रीट पुणे बॉम्बे सेम टीम ओनली. आई फील दे शुड मर्ज ओनली एंड जस्ट बिकम वन. एनीवे, सो दैट्स द थिंग. सेटबैक डीलिंग वो होगा बीच में. कई बार ऐसे मोमेंट्स आएंगे, ऐसा लगेगा ये बस नहीं हो रहा. इट्स टू डिफिकल्ट, आई एम टेलिंग यू राइट नाउ. बट इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन अ लॉट इफ यू आर प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट. कि हाँ ये तो होना ही है. देन गेट बैक टू द ट्रैक. गेट बैक, कल का प्लान पे जाओ चलो, और फिर विल रिवाइज द प्लान कि क्या. एंड फाइनली नंबर 6 इज फेथ. यू नो द फेथ हैज़ टू बी देयर इन गॉड, इन प्रेयर, इन योर पेरेंट्स, इन योर ओन एफर्ट कि कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा. लाइफ में जब आप बहुत मेहनत करते हो ना किसी चीज़ पे, कुछ ना कुछ उसका नतीजा निकलता है पॉजिटिव. चाहे वो ना निकले जो आपको चाहिए, लेकिन निकलता है. और ये थिंकिंग बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर मैं ये सोचूँ ना एक बुक लिखते हुए कि ये चलेगी या नहीं चलेगी, और रोज़ यही सोचता रहूँ, आई कैन नेवर राइट इट. आई हैव टू राइट इट थिंकिंग वाओ इट्स गोना बी अ बिग हिट. आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज यू हैव टू डू इट, अदरवाइज हाउ विल यू पुश योरसेल्फ. वो एक बुक भी है सीक्रेट, उसमें वो कहती है कि इफ़ यू स्टार्ट इमेजिनिंग समथिंग वो हो जाता है. Now she is written in a very magical, dramatic way कि वो पढ़ने में मज़ा आता है. पर उसका लॉजिक क्या है? If you think about it, what is the scientific logic on it? If you believe something will happen by making an effort, you will make more effort. You will be more motivated. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये मिलने ही वाला है मुझे, थोड़ी और मेहनत करने पे मिलने ही वाला है. जैसे अगर आपको लगता है बस आ रही है, थोड़ा सा तेज़ भाग लूँ, मैं पकड़ ही लूँगा, तो फिर आप थोड़ा अपने आप को पुश करके भाग लेते हो. पर अगर लगता है ये तो बस मिलने नहीं वाली है, तो वो जो थोड़ा बहुत भाग रहे होते हैं वो भी बंद हो जाएगा. इट्स दैट थिंकिंग कि मिल जाएगी. आई एम नॉट सेइंग भाग के बस पकड़ो, बट आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एज एन एग्जाम्पल. सेम थिंग, यू हैव टू बिलीव हो जाएगा. येस देयर आर बिग नंबर्स, 13 लाख, 10,000, ये वो. आपको एक ही सीट चाहिए. यू नीड वन सीट, दैट्स इट. यू डोंट केयर अबाउट द रेस्ट. यू डोंट केयर अबाउट द कॉम्पिटिशन. यू नीड वन सीट. यू नो व्हाट स्कोर यू हैव टू गेट दैट सीट, एंड जस्ट वर्क ऑन दैट, एंड इट विल हैपन. Slowly, 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 life will reward you. There is no shortcut to hard work. Okay, there is no shortcut. There is no success mantras I can give you. I am not even a Baba that I can go jao, safal ho jao. It is this only what people do. All the successful people I know, they plan it. They work hard on something. They don't give up. They believe in it. They want it very badly from inside. एंड छोटे छोटे टुकड़े करके करते हैं, एंड फिर कुछ हो जाता है बड़ा तो लोग कहते हैं अरे वाह यार इन्होंने इतना बड़ा कर लिया, इन्होंने तो लाइफ में कुछ कर लिया। ह्यूमन बींग्स ही करते हैं, एंड इट्स ह्यूमन अप्रोच ऑन जस्ट फोकस ऑन दिस मोटिवेशन आस्पेक्ट कि दैट इज व्हाट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। बाकी सब आ जाएगा, एवरीथिंग विल कम, फंडामेंटल इंटेलिजेंस ऑल ऑफ यू हैव। सो दैट इज़ वेयर आई विल एंड माई फॉर्मल टॉक, विल डू सम Q&A। आई वांट योर थॉट्स, योर व्यूज। This is a rare opportunity, you know. We can all talk. We're all in the same objective, everybody. But yeah, next year I want to come here. I want to see many students on stage because they've got into IIT, and I'm sure it will happen. So thank you so much. Are there any questions or any observations, thoughts, anything? Class, it's like क्या है, this is madness. And you know, I'll be very honest, I have grown up in a very, not in a very affluent, मतलब lower middle class only. So I always have grown up thinking कि there is no money in this world. Like हमेशा हमारे घर में यही डिस्कशन हो रहा था कि सोफ़ा ठीक कराएं या कूलर ठीक कराएं, या गेस्ट आ रहे हैं तो एक कोक की बॉटल से कितने ग्लास बनाए जा सकते हैं, और ये वो, आई मीन इट वॉज दैट काइंड विच वी डिडंट थिंक कि ऐसे इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम है, हमें लगता है यही लाइफ ही यही होती है। बट आई न्यू कि इफ़ आई कैन गेट आउट ऑफ दिस इट विल बी गुड, यू नो, आई वांट टू गेट आउट ऑफ दिस, ये ठीक नहीं है। तो मेरे को लगा कि ये एक रास्ता है, एंड आई वॉज गुड एट सम साइंस सब्जेक्ट्स, सो दैट आई थिंक इफ आई रियली पुट माई सेल्फ टू इट आई कैन डू इट। नो बडी टोल्ड मी, एंड देर वॉज नो कल्चर ऑफ so many extensive coaching at that time. It was correspondence, but of course they were not 13 lakh, they were 3 lakh, but seats were also some 2000. So that's how it started for me. Then I remember I met a IITian once, and he just at some function I met him and he said, I'm in IIT. I said, Acha, just tell me one thing, I've just started preparation and it's very difficult. Tell me in the end, is it worth it? He didn't know me, I didn't know him at all. He said, हाँ यार, it's totally worth it. I don't think he was also thinking, छोटा बच्चा ऐसे पूछ रहा है, totally worth it. बस वो 3 words, totally worth it, stuck with me. I was like, उसने कहा है, तो चाहे जितना भी घिसना पड़े, आप करना है। If he had not said that totally worth it, ना, that faith would not have developed, कि it's worth it. So it really was that, you know, there was no sessions, there was no motivation speaking. I wish we had things like this. I would have started better. I would have just been more, अभी थोड़ा गिरते पड़ते हुआ हमारा, थोड़ा और सिस्टमैटिक होता तो बेटर था। Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. Anybody else? Yes. And you know, if you have some specific questions, I may even ask the PACE people to answer if there's a very specific question about today's tests and all that. Yes. How did you? I can't hear.
How did you yourself prepare for the entrance?
How did I myself prepare? Like I said, you know, this I didn't have this structure and not thought through, but there was a regularity I had. So 4 hours a day, every day was IIT. Used to do that. I had 2 or 3 friends in school who were preparing, so we would discuss with each other. It really was a time when you had a problem with a numerical, you send a letter to the brilliant tutorials people. And you actually send a letter from the post office, and then they will send back the answers. Or they used to send the answers 1 month later. In the next month's packet, the previous month's questions, answers used to come. So yeah, that's how we did it. But I remember 4 hours a day, and I did give up a few things, you know, like some weddings, but they are quite फालतू anyway. वो छोड़ा भी जा सकता है, इतना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं। But that time हमें लगता था हमने तो भाई अपने कज़न की शादी छोड़ दी, पता नहीं कितनी बड़ी sacrifice हो गई। But you know, you have to give up a few things. But yeah, it was like that. I think I've always been a person who tries to balance things. Even today, you know, in my career, if I want, I can work 24 hours a day. I can write 3 films, I can write 2 books a year. I write 1 book in 2 years. Because I like balance. I have a family, I have kids now. So that time I was young, I had friends, so I wanted to balance. So just that balance I tried to maintain, and that way I was lucky it worked out. But because of that balance, I was able to be regular. I saw many students used to study more than me, but they gave up after 6 months. You know, it's the regularity that matters, not. If you think over many days you are stressing yourself, बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, reduce your workload, because ये लंबी रेस है, you know, like they say in a marathon, don't like run super fast in the beginning, थोड़ा balance. How come author from IIT? I don't know. I did IIT, then you know people said that, and I also felt that knowledge of people would be good. Knowledge of machines I have in mechanical engineering. So I did an MBA, joined a bank, did everything what I was thought I should do, middle class person should do, and get a good job. But I felt that there should be more to life. So as a hobby, I wrote my first book, and that book really took off 5 point someone. Then I wrote one more, 3 books I wrote while still working. And they all 3 became very big hits. So then I thought, I am meant to do this. And I wanted to do other things for country. I wanted to, like this kind of things I can never do if I was working in a bank, or the kind of columns I write and all that. So I felt कुछ देश के लिए करते हैं अभी. देश ने इतना दे दिया हमें, इतनी अच्छी एजुकेशन दे दी, इतना नाम दे दिया, तो I felt maybe I am meant to do this. So it was very difficult decision. My in-laws and all were very scared, and कि हमारी बेटी के साथ तो धोखा हो गया. हमने सोचा था इतनी अच्छी नौकरी वाला लड़का है, अभी छोड़ रहा है. ऑलरेडी दे आर साउथ इंडियन, आई एम पंजाबी, तो उसी में ही वो परेशान थे. एक और परेशान लेवल डाल दो. दैट्स अनदर टॉक ओनली. बट यस.
So just give an insight about the NGC program you're on.
NGC, yeah. I did a national. He's talking about a National Geographic. See, I have reached a lot of Indians through my writing, and I was discussing with corporator साहब also कि I have reached the educated India. I have reached a middle class, which is a very big number, and I'm very happy to have done that. But अगर आपको सच में बदलाव लाना है, तो you have to make people listen to you, even the people in rural India. पर उसके लिए आपको गाँव को समझना तो जरूरी है. गाँव हम अपनी तरफ से समझते हैं, जो हमने फिल्मों में देखा है कि पनघट होता होगा, कुआं होगा, और ऐसे गंदा जमींदार होगा, या पता नहीं ऐसे यू थिंक कि ऐसे गांव में सब पीछे पीछे हैं और कोई उनकी थिंकिंग नहीं है. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. सो आई वांटेड टू गेट अ चांस टू स्टार्ट गोइंग. सो बाय चांस नेशनल ज्योग्राफिक केम एंड सेड कि दे वांट टू डू अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री, एंड यू पिक एनी ड्राइव इन इंडिया. सो आई सेड माय ड्राइव विल बी टू द विलेजेस. सो वी chose Gujarat, just started from the city and went under to one tribe, Siddhi tribe. It is, these people are African by ethnicity. They are like Negro ethnicity, totally black, curly hair, but they speak only Gujarati. They don't speak English, they don't speak Hindi. They eat Gujarati food, they have Gujarati customs, but देखने में एकदम African. And it's fascinating to me. वहाँ मतलब वो गोल था कि उन तो ढूंढना है. तो फिर ऐसे करते करते I met a lot of normal Indian rural youth on the way, and I found out so many things about them. For example, IPL is very popular, and even in the villages, they are wearing the T-shirts of their favorite teams and all. But in some ways, they are very forward, and in some ways, they are very backward in their thinking. I thought it's a chance. That episode will come in May. In May, they will air it 3-4 times. They'll come, so you'll see it. It's a 5 days of work we did with the villages, and we made it interesting. We went to Gir, we went to see lions, this, that. So for me, it was an eye opener, and I am continuing that journey. Now my focus is कैसे गाँव के मतलब आप लोगों को तो लिए तो करना है, लेकिन गाँव के लोगों को कैसे मतलब प्रभावित करेगी यार, आप लोग भी बदलो. It's very difficult for me, but that's the challenge. That's my action plan. How to get there? Films is one way. That's why I'm doing more. I'm writing a film, Kick, which is a Salman Khan movie. So सिंह अरे ऑथर हो और आप ऐसे इंटेलेक्चुअल चीज़ें करते हो, क्या लिख रहे हो मसाला फिल्म, बट क्यों लिख रहे हैं? इसीलिए लिख रहे हैं कि वो गांव के लोग लिखते हैं और उनको पता लगेगा अरे ये वो है. आज मैं गांव में जाता हूँ तो ओनली कनेक्शन इज 3 Idiots. सो इफ आई किक हो जाएगा तो फिर बोलेगा अच्छा ये किक वाले, अच्छा आप बताओ क्या बात बोल रहे हो आप. अदरवाइज दे विल नॉट लिसन. दे सो इट्स अ स्ट्रैटेजी आई एम यूजिंग to do my life goals. Yes.
I have a question for Mr. Tyagi.
Yeah.
So, so obviously a student has options to help in India, right?
Lot of options for students, yes.
I want to hear from Mr. Tyagi, what is so different about PACE? What's your vision about
Okay. They want to talk about PACE with Mr. Tyagi, but Mr. Tyagi is not here. But the people who run the Pune Center are here. So, they want to know. So, I think you can only talk about this.
My name is Dhirendra Singh. I am the physics faculty at PACE Pune. We'll take the academic and institution, the questions which are related to the academics separately. First, I would like to thank Mr. Bhagat. It was a very nice speech. No, not really. I mean, what I thought was all the questions can be taken towards the end. So, of course.
Even after I leave, you can ask them some very
No, any questions which you have for Mr. Bhagat, we'll just hold them for a little while. And I would like to invite Mr. Jagdale. Yeah, he'd like to share his experience. He's a retired professor from Ferguson College. He's also the coordinator for the tie-up that we have with Deccan Education Society. Sir, ruk jaiye sir, because I think still there are some questions.
So let me do okay, let me just do a few more with you guys, and we'll keep your question on hold and we'll have people answer. If you have any questions for me, then we'll do that, and then they will do. Yes. How to select the career after IIT?
Yeah, after 12 also, choose the sites, how to select that.
Yeah.
Students are completely wrong.
हाँ. Yeah, and I know, it's a little unfair in India because आपको बोल दिया जाता है 8th के बाद ये चुन लो, 10th के बाद ये चुन लो, and then you are supposed to at 15 years decide कि आपको क्या बनना है. But don't see it like that anymore. Just do a good graduation, I feel. And after graduation, you will know. I feel get the best graduation you can from a college and a subject which is of your aptitude. Whatever your aptitude is. It doesn't have to be IIT. I'm also a parent, so if my kids are not leaning towards that, then I will not push them. Karo. But they must excel. What the world needs, what the companies need, what all the good organizations need is demonstration of excellence. When I also hire, I have a little company which looks after my business, we look at, has the child done something excellent in anything in life? कोई भी subject हो, कुछ excel किया है, have they, and when do you excel? When you do something of your aptitude. अगर आपकी aptitude की चीज़ नहीं, आप excel बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है करना, because other people have aptitude and they will beat you. But if you do something which has your aptitude, then it's better. So I think best 15, 16, 18, figure out your aptitudes. Don't force yourself to think कि अगर आपको clearly पता है कि हाँ मुझे यही बनना है life में, it's great. It may happen, but most people don't know कि हमें क्या बनना है life में और आप क्यों अभी decide करना चाहते हैं. Then later on you'll regret or just decide what are your aptitude subjects and उस subject में best क्या possible है. That I take those subjects and tell my recruiter or whatever कि देखो I had these subjects and इसमें मैंने यहाँ तक पहुँचा, which is the best students of this subject reach हैं. So if it's commerce, then I reach to this college. If I am science, I reach to that's all you have to demonstrate, and that's all people are looking for. कि बंदे में potential है क्या? This IIT exam, it's not just one. एक बार आप ऐसा exam clear कर लेते हो ना, it's not just you get into a good college. Your self confidence changes for life. You feel कि कोई भी बड़ा हाथी मेरे आगे रख दो मैं खा लूँगा. You need that, and that is what people need when they hire people. कि यार इसको कोई प्रॉब्लम पकड़ा दी जाए, ये गिरते पड़ते समझ लेगा कैसे करना है और 1-2 साल लगाएगा लेकिन कर डालेगा. एंड दैट कॉन्फिडेंस यू नीड. सो दैट्स जस्ट बी दैट पर्सन. आपका ट्रेड क्या होगा, आपकी जॉब क्या होगी, क्या होगा, आंसर्स डोंट हैव टू कम. हु नोस. यस सर. यस, यू वांटेड टू आस्क, जस्ट कम. Engineering. Why IIT? Well, that's a question the IIT people should answer. क्योंकि मेरा तो नहीं है, अपने घर का कॉलेज तो है नहीं. मैं भी पढ़ने गया था बस और फिर मेरे को निकाल दिया उन्होंने, चलो पढ़ लिया आप निकल जाओ. But it is a very reputed place. Let's not make any mistakes. There are many good colleges and I don't want to run down any college. लेकिन what happens is you are an unknown person, right? You are 16, 17, you are 20 years old when you graduated, 21 years. People don't know you. So you need the brand, right? It is a brand. कि ये IIT से है, अगर बोलूँ कि ये IIT से है, आप automatically एक certain thinking के faculty IIT से, you'll be like, oh okay, you don't know them, but that's it. But I have always believed, this is just between you and me, I'm telling you, I have always believed, कुछ लोग college के नाम से अपने आप मतलब कुछ लोगों का कॉलेज उनकी वजह से वो रोशन होते हैं, कुछ लोग कॉलेज का नाम रोशन करते हैं। तो मेरे साथ कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कि IIT क्या है वो चेतन भगत वाला कॉलेज, सो वो भी हो जाएगा एक दिन।